How's it going, everyone? Today is Monday, September 23rd, and I want to take a moment here to go over the exact buy and sell signals, every single one of them that got populated on our chart today between the sweet spot and the window that I like to trade, which is typically that 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. You guys, anything before that is just sometimes a bit too choppy in the market, and anything afterwards can still be the same. So we want to be trading with a trend when a lot of the other retail traders are actually out into the market and not fighting against the big banks and the institutions. So guys, we're going to go over every single one of those entries, add up the points, specifically trading, for example, with a one contract here on the NQ. I'm also going to give a shout out to new people that have literally joined in the last 24 hours. And then, of course, at the end of this, show you guys exactly where to grab these metrics to see the success that so many people are already seeing. So you guys, this is a look at the charts and just the price action that happened this morning. Let's go over each one of these, the entries, the exits, how to put your stop loss. What am I looking for? And exactly, again, here, let's go and address the elephant in the room. What happened over here? Let's go over that. But first, let's start on the left side of our screen and then move over. You guys, right here, this was right at about 8:01. We ended up getting a nice sell signal on our chart. So entry is going to be right at candle close. What's nice is these white dots that are illuminated on here. You guys can actually go down here under the settings, under your indicator. I want you to go to the settings section, and down here, this is where you can enable the real price dots, and that'll end up populating on your charts. It's a really good tool and actually really necessary with Hiekin Ashi candles to show you the exact price. So when we're drawing these out, we can see exactly where we can take profit. Now guys, when I end up getting into a trade like this, either going short or long into the market, I look at this profit wave, and this is going to be where I end up setting my hard stops and mentally knowing when to either get in or get out of the market. Guys and girls, there's two things that I do for looking to get out of a trade. It's either when price action, these white stock close above my profit wave, or I end up hitting a level of support in the market that is already pre-marked out for me. So for example, entering on the sell signal here, could have drawn it all the way down to this first level support, making 27 points. Now it drew down further. It definitely did more. Ended up going anywhere between 35. This is just saying play to the first level of support in the market or resistance, and that's when we take it out. So we're going to go move that to about 27. We then get another signal. This is our buy signal here. Again, everything, all metrics in line. Background solid green, background was solid red. Enter in. At no point, it got very close right here. I'll level with you guys. It did not drop below, but it got close. Where do we do this? Well, take a look over here. This is the first level of resistance in the market where the price ended up coming up and actually closing. So that is where we want to play to. Did price come up to this higher section here? Yes, but again, don't get greedy. Let's just play to that first level of support or resistance. Market ends up coming back down, getting a sell signal, again, right at candle close. Where do you play to? First level of support, playing it all the way down, 40 points. How do we look so far? 27 points, 41 points, 40 points. Okay, we're going to add this up in a second here and show you exactly how this ended up panning out. Because right here, let's just take a look at this. Were there some sells and buys that didn't work today? Absolutely. You guys, I am not here to tell you that this is 100% accurate. I'm here to show you exactly every single buy and sell signal. And I have to go over this because this is, again, making me myself a better trader as well. Were all of these metrics in line and set to the parameters? Yes. Price action just went against after getting these signals. Buy signal, entry, what happened? Price ended up coming down, having to close it out. End up taking minus 13. Sell signal, right at this section here, end up drawing down a little bit. But again, being true to this, where did price close? Down 3. Again, price action, buy and sell, ended up just not working out in this little section. But you guys, do this for me in a moment. Look at every single one of these buys and look at these sells, and let's actually add this up together by just trading with one contract in the market. And then ask yourself today, did I actually make funds myself? So let's do this. Let's go over to the left, and then I'll show you guys exactly where in a moment to grab these metrics. If you guys want to shoot ahead, you can actually get them in the link in the description below this, but let's do this first. 27. So let's go over here and add this up. 27 was our first one. Within it ended up taking out 41 and ended up taking out 40 on the next one. Did we have some losing trades? Yes, we had some losing trades. It's okay. It's totally all right. So let's look at this. Let's take this out. Minus 13, minus 3, minus 12.75, and minus 2.5. And actually one more here, minus 12. So trading with just one contract on NQ is going to move $20 per point. That's $1,295 just trading with one contract, taking these buy and sell signals for their face value and literally trading just between my sweet spot window of literally 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. If you guys are ever in trades like this and you end up hitting a profit target that you're wanting to go for, you don't have to trade more. So I just want to get on here, show you guys this. So if you end up having a little more of a difficult day today, just look back at this and see that you can do this. I'll show you guys right here. This is actually my future success where you guys can grab access and literally lifetime access to all of these metrics. One-on-one training. I actually just got done doing trainings just before this with a couple individuals. Tom, a very, very nice guy. And then also another individual right before that. That was just really cool. You know, going over every entry, going over every exit, getting a game plan down for those people to be successful in the market, and just meeting some incredible people is really nice. But you guys take a second here, go over and grab this. Just click I want this. That'll literally download and give you instructions on how to do this within moments. And if you guys need any help at all, please let me know. I can help you guys out. But take a look at the 5-star ratings over here that so many people are seeing success with. Go ahead and update this to see where we're currently standing. 15 to now 55. So about 30 plus people in the last few days here joining on and seeing some amazing success. But I just want to go over that with you guys here and show you exact entries, exits, everything that ended up happening during this time frame that I really like trading. So if you guys have any questions, comments, please do leave them below. You know, I'll get back to them right away, but I just want to show you guys this for today, which is Monday. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day. God bless. Take care.